our relationship with the United States is one of the most critical. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau has just appointed a Canadian ambassador to the United States, David McNaughton, and I'm sure he's hoping that we can renew and jumpstart our relationship with our most important trading partner. We just look at the newest trend from Nanos and the University of Buffalo. It's an 11-year tracking study. What's interesting is that after a number of years of decline, when we ask Canadians and Americans about whether there should be closer cooperation on national security issues, the numbers for the first time in quite a while are starting to trend up when we look at the long-term trend. But the kicker relates to energy. Asked about energy cooperation between Canada and the United States, it has been sliding over the last number of years, probably a result of the very controversial Keystone Pipeline. But the interesting thing right now when we look at the trend is that with Keystone behind us, it looks like the appetite in Canada and the United States is trending up in terms of energy cooperation.